Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk through how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on Google Chat using your PC. With the latest update, Google has made it easier than ever to take control of your notifications and stay focused when you need some quiet time. Let's dive right in and go step by step. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so everything syncs properly. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page. Right next to your profile photo, you'll see a small grid made up of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps menu. Click on it to open up a list of all your Google services. From there, scroll down and find Chat. Click on it, and Google Chat will open in a new window or tab. Now, look near the top of the chat interface, to the right side of the screen. You'll notice a small icon showing your current active status, usually a green dot or a note saying Active. It's sitting right next to the gear icon for settings. Click on that active mode icon. A small drop-down menu will appear with different status options: Active, Away, and Do Not Disturb. Select Do Not Disturb from the list. Once you do, another option will show up that lets you choose how long you want to stay in Do Not Disturb mode. You can set it for a few minutes, a few hours, or even until tomorrow. Choose the time period that works best for you. After that, your status will automatically change, and during this time, you won't receive message notifications. Your contacts will see you as Do Not Disturb, letting them know you're currently unavailable. And that's it. You've successfully activated Do Not Disturb mode in Google Chat. This quick feature is perfect for keeping focused during meetings, deep work sessions, or just when you need a break from constant pings. Try it out today and enjoy a distraction-free workspace with just a few simple clicks.